Hello, today's question is HSC 2019 Engineering Studies, question 27, part BI. Question is like this. The bracket and lock pin assembly shown is used to attach the repeater transmitter to the tower. So that's the mechanism that we are going to use to attach the transmitter to the tower. This side will be attached to the transmitter, or the other side. Basically what will happen, the load will go through this pin, and this side and this side will be subjected to a tension. So you have a tension on this side and a tension on this side, and that pin will be subjected to the tension of sharing tension. Okay. Using the data given, determine the maximum lock pin diameter to use. Now we want to see what should be the diameter of this pin so it does not collapse. All right, to do this, we should remember that first, we need to find the working stress. And working stress is equal to the ultimate shear strength, which is 240, divided by factor of safety, which is 5. If we did that, we get 48 megapascals. That is the tension that, that's the stress that we are letting the pin to carry. All right, but as we said, we have two faces or two areas of the pin which is taking this load. All right, now according to this, the total load is 3.6 kilonewton, so P is 3.5 kilonewton, which becomes 3,500 newtons. All right, and we know that stress is equal to load divided by area. In this case, our area is twice the area of the pin. So if I call the area of the pin, as A, because I have 2 of this, so I can put 2A. All right, so that's the working stress, which we find it to be 48. So sub in 48 is equal to load, which is 3,500 divided by 2 times A. From here, you can switch the place of 2 times A and 48. You get 2 times A is 3,500 divided by 48. And you can divide both sides by 2. You get 3,500 divided by 48 divided by 2. And that will give you an area of 36.5 0.45 square millimeter. Okay, now we find the area of the pin, cross section of the pin. We need to find the diameter, and because it's a circle, so your diameter will be equal to your diameter and your area are related by the formula pi times d squared on 4. So your area is that much, just sub in, and you get equal to pi times d squared on 4, and times both sides by 4, you get 4 times 36.45 equal to pi d squared. Divide both sides by pi, you get 4 times 336.45 divided by pi is equal to d squared, and then you square root that to get to the value of d. And if you solve that in your calculator, you will get d is equal to 6.813 millimeter. And because the options we have is 5 millimeter, 6 millimeter, and 7 millimeter, we got to go to the next one, which is above that, which is 7 millimeter. So we choose the one with the diameter of 7. So we choose 5, 7, which is one just above 6.813, which we need. Thank you for your attention.